Cheap Pirates.
To those of you who have just joined us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Monorail. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Watch your children, and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor, se ruega no fumar. Gracias.
We're now en route to our final stop, the Tomorrowland Monorail Station. Along the way, you can get a bird's eye look at the downtown Disney District, Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, and Disney California Adventure. To the left of the monorail is the main entrance of Disneyland, the happiest place on earth. Disneyland is truly an American original. Since its opening in 1955, it has hosted hundreds of millions of guests from around the world, including presidents, kings, and celebrities. It is the original Disney theme park, created and enjoyed by Walt Disney himself. We're about to enter Disneyland. Some of the clearances are pretty tight up ahead, so be sure to remain seated, keeping your hands and arms inside the cabin. This is Tomorrowland, a land inspired by science fact and fantasy. Below us is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage. Across the way are the icy peaks of Matterhorn Mountain, home of the world's most famous bobsled run. And beneath us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can travel the road to tomorrow. As we cruise over Tomorrowland, our pilot would like to share a few program reminders.
Hello everyone, welcome aboard Monorail Red. My name is Ryan, and I'd like to remind you that Disneyland will remain open until midnight. So if you plan to take the monorail back to the downtown Disney station, just make sure you're in line for the monorail before midnight for your return trip. Also, for your enjoyment, be sure to catch our fireworks spectacular called Remember Dreams Come True. It's scheduled for 9:30. Just remember, the monorail will close for the fireworks from 8:30 until 10 o'clock. So we thank you for your understanding. Well, thanks for traveling with us today, and I hope you all have a magical day here at Disneyland.
To the right of the monorail, you just might spot the sparkling gold spires of one of Disney's most beloved attractions. It's a small
All right,
world.
we're going to have to stop up
And
ahead
now
here.
we're riding alongside the happiest kingdom of them all, Fantasyland, home to Pinocchio, Snow White, Peter Pan, and other
Monorail
storybook
Red holding
characters.
at Zone 16. Ladies and gentlemen, we've stopped momentarily, awaiting further clearance for our next stop, Tomorrowland Station. So as soon as the monorail ahead of us exits and is a safe distance, we'll be on our way. So again, please remain seated. Thank you. More time to enjoy the view here. That's right. Yeah. It's cool. 10 for red copies. And ladies and gentlemen, we have been cleared for our final stop, Tomorrowland Station. We ask that everyone exit at this stop, please. One last reminder, be sure to catch the Pixar Play Parade performance at 6 o'clock this evening. That'll be stepping off from Main Street and making its way up to It's a Small World. Thank you. We're going to stop here momentarily, so please remain seated.
The Tomorrowland Monorail Station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us, and we hope you'll have a happy and memorable visit here at Disneyland. This is the Tomorrowland Monorail.